Welcome to Tia Art and Craft. Today we'll make peony flowers. Take tissue paper, fold it four, then cut the corner parts. Now fold like I do. Zigzag folds. Then tie it with a string or any thread. Cut the end part. Now it's time to color it. You can take any color. I have taken red color. Just dip it. Paint the corners with red color for a realistic look. Mix yellow and green for the center part. Let it dry for overnight. You should be careful in this part. Do this carefully. Look how beautiful it is. We made a flower. I have taken pipe cleaner. It looks like a dancing flower. Try it. We will see you in another video. Bye bye.